Today we're going to use an online encyclopedia. I am in the curriculum resources page of my library and technology page. So this is the focus right here. And we're going to focus on how to use an online encyclopedia right here. Now, what I'll do is I'll start out by clicking on this link, and we'll go down to the Encyclopedia Britannica Academic Edition, click on this link, and here's where we'll do our searching, right in this area. Now, I'm logged in as Joe Student, and I'm in a Google Classroom, and there is a link for you right here, but I want you to click on this Google Forms quiz. So it should be coming up, and when it does, it's going to ask you a number of questions, and you're going to go back and forth between using the Encyclopedia Britannica and the Google quiz. So if I keep waiting for this, and here it is. Now, there are 10 questions, and the first question is, the New York Yankees play baseball in New York City. What borough in the city do they play in? Now, New York City is divided into 5 boroughs. So what you have to do is figure out which of those boroughs in New York City they play in. So your key words are New York Yankees. So I'm going to highlight these key words. I'll do a Command C, copy. I'll go back over to the Britannica. You can see a blinking cursor here. I'll do a Command V. I'll hit my return key to look up the Yankees. New York Yankees baseball team. New York Yankees American baseball team. Now if this comes up, I don't want to see this, so I'll get rid of it. I can go down here. Based in the Bronx. So I'm giving you the answer right here. So you go back to here, and you now know that the Yankees play in the Bronx. They're also known as the Bronx Bombers, and if you look really closely, you can see Yankee Stadium right here. The next question is baseball. So I'm going to do the exact same thing again. I'm highlighting, Command C. Baseball, game played with a bat, a ball, and gloves between 2 teams of blank players, each on a field with 4 white bases laid out in a diamond. And the question is, how many players play on a team? And you want to fill in that blank. Now, the way to do that, again, is to go back to the Encyclopedia Britannica Online. You want to do your search. Now, I don't want to see this. I want to go back and do a search here. So I do a Command V, baseball, I go to sport, and it gives me an article here. Now, one thing I really don't like about the online encyclopedia is that they want you to start paying for it. Now, if you notice down here, the text starts out in a black and it fades down. That's because they want you to start paying for it. Continue reading by signing up for a free trial. But in this quiz, you shouldn't have to do that. And the answer to your question is right in this section here. So find the answer, go back to your quiz, fill in the multiple choice. When you are done with this, just go down and click a submit. I'll get your response, and I'll give you some feedback on it. Hopefully you'll have a good time with this. One of the nice things I like about using an encyclopedia is that you can, if you find something in an article and there's a link, by all means click on it and play around with it. All right, so good. Play ball, have fun with this, and I will see your results and get back to you. Have fun.